Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. Today we are learning Taqti number 2, join letters. Let's read this page line by line from right to left. Listen closely and repeat after me. So please first read Ta'awudh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, Tasmiya, repeat after me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, row number 1, it's alif. Next is lam, alif. Next is lam, alif. The next letter is ba, alif. It has one dot on the bottom, so it's ba, ba, alif. And the last one in this row, lam, alif. Some beginners confused in this letter. The first letter is lam. It is joined with alif. This is not one letter, it is actually a combination of two. The first curved stroke is lam, and the straight stick crossing it is alif. Please repeat after me. Lam, alif. Okay, row number 2, start with lam, and it is also lam, alif, and it's lam, ha. The next letter is also lam, alif, and the last long box is la, ba, lam, ba. Read carefully. The first letter is ba, lam, ba. It's shaped lam in the middle and connected to the two letters. First letter is ba, and the last letter is also ba, and lam is in middle. So ba, lam, ba. Row number 3, start with kaf. It's individual shape of kaf. And next is another shape, kaf. Please repeat after me in every letter. Next, now they are joining kaf, ba, kaf, ba. Next is kaf, ba. It is another shape of kaf, and this stroke shape of kaf. Okay, so it's kaf ba. Please repeat after me. Kaf alif. Okay, row number 4 start with kaf alif. Kaf is connected with alif. Now let's read 3 letters together. Ba kaf ta. It is middle shape of kaf. Repeat after me. Ba kaf ta. Next is ta kaf sa. Next is the shape of ba, and the last one is shape of ta. Okay, that's all today's lesson. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to never miss a lesson. Thank you so much.